Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
Jeremiah here with RVFix. If you got a faucet and the connections are leaking underneath your sink, right now I'm going to show you what to look for and what those could be, and kind of see what you got going on. So you just want to make sure you got no pressure in the line. So you're just gonna, both sides, as you can see, there's nothing going on here. And then it's always good to have a rag, something to catch any water. This one's got antifreeze because it is winterized for the season. But we're just gonna twist this connection off here. Now sometimes these will get loose on their own, especially on newer units, because the seals are going to kind of compress, so you might have to tighten them up. But as if you can see inside here, you'll see a white seal. That's what we call a cone seal, or you'll hear them called swivel seals. And we'll put the link for those below in the description. If that is the cause, it's going to be leaking past the threads here. Sometimes it'll leak on the backside of this connection. Now, if it is the connection, say this collar is cracked, you just got to cut this clamp off. And then we'll put a couple fittings, if you have straight fittings or 90-degree elbow fittings. That'll work real well. They're flare fittings. So a collar slips on here, you push it onto the PEX line, you tighten the collar down, and then you don't have to worry about doing any clamps. But always make sure your cone seal's good. You're going to put it on here. Now these are metal threads on this faucet. If it's a bathroom faucet, usually they're plastic. So it's plastic. So real easy to cross thread. On these, it's easier to cross thread through the plastic because it's metal to plastic. So just make sure they go on nice and easy, and then give them a good tight. Turn your water on, check for leaks again, and there you go. That's how you check what is causing you the issues under your sink and for your faucets.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.